Ever wonder if you could turn your voice into a money-making machine? Imagine earning a steady income just by speaking into a microphone, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you have a deep, rich tone or a bright, energetic voice, there's a massive opportunity waiting for you. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money online with zero investment, using nothing but your voice. Trust me, this could be the side hustle you've been dreaming of. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to make money online. Today, we're diving into the world of voiceover work, a rapidly growing industry that offers endless opportunities for anyone willing to lend their voice to projects. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or years of experience to get started. Just your voice, a quiet space, and a little bit of determination. Did you know that the demand for voiceover artists is skyrocketing? From YouTube videos and podcasts to audiobooks and commercials, businesses and creators are constantly looking for fresh voices to bring their projects to life. And guess what? You could be that voice. The best part? Many clients are willing to pay top dollar for quality voiceover work. With the rise of online platforms, it's easier than ever to find gigs that match your voice and style. So, how do you get started? First, you don't need to break the bank on expensive equipment. A simple USB microphone and free editing software like Audacity are enough to start recording professional quality voiceovers. Next, you'll want to create a portfolio. Don't worry if you're just starting out. Record a few sample scripts in different styles to showcase your range. Upload these samples to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com, and you're on your way to landing your first gig. Want to stand out from the crowd? Here are a few tips. Practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills by recording daily. Pay attention to your tone, pacing, and clarity. And remember, clients love reliability. Make sure to meet deadlines and communicate clearly. Over time, you'll build a solid reputation and the projects will start rolling in. Before you know it, you'll have a steady stream of income, all thanks to your voice. Ready to turn your voice into a cash cow? Start today by setting up your profile on a freelance platform and record those first samples. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below with any questions, and share this video with friends who might be interested. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to make money online without any investment. Your next big opportunity could be just a recording session away.